what's up guys, it's me Lily and today it's Easter. That's why I'm wearing this. Easter is Happy Easter to all of you. And today, drumroll please, we've got this. And we're going to be opening this while my mum is doing an Easter hunt, egg hunt. It's a secret diary. So let's get into the video now. So, we've got Belle Magic Mag, over 60 stickers. You've got colouring, you've got reading, you've got puzzles, more colouring, more puzzles, and there's literally everything you need to keep busy. We've got poster, and yeah. So let's get into the next part. Let's put it out. Just saying guys, we already put it out. We don't really need this right now.
Oh.
Use it.
Just watch Lily struggle a little bit.
So guys, my brother helped me do this. Let's get the key out first.
Let's get the diary out first, you mean?
Guys, look at how long. I think you could wear it as a necklace. And we've got a diary. Oh, it's sticked. Oh. We've got a sparkly pen. We've got this with Ariel on it. So let's open it. So after some difficulties, we finally found out how to do it. Do you guys want to see what my note is? I wrote one. Yeah, like and subscribe. So it's time for my rating. Drum roll, please. So basically, this is very good, this is good. But the thing about this, it's kind of stiff. And you could just get a stick and push it in and it might work.
Yeah, because all you have to do is just push this and it's done. Look, I'll try and show you. Are you ready? Oh, hold this, Lee. Hold the camera. Look, I'll try to show you. All you have to do is just push this in. Push this to the side. And if that goes... Wait, let me try and... Look. You just need to push that to the side. It's open. So if I could just get a pencil, like this one. Push this to the side. It's open.
Yeah. And this is really good because over 6, it's everything we need. My ear just fell off. There are colouring, they're reading, and yeah, there's puzzles, and I recommend you should get these. And there's some stickers.
60 stickers. Look at them. If you like princesses,
Fairy godmothers, cabbages and greens,
princesses, stickers and stuff like that. Do you suggest getting that?
Yes, definitely. Just pop by your local shop and look for it.
This is not an ad.
Yes.
You said it like it was an advert.
Local shop.
Oh my god.
Bye guys. Love you all. Hope you have an amazing day. Like and subscribe please. Turn your post notifications on. And have a lovely Easter. Love you all.